हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब। आज हम बात करेंगे सूरी डायनेस्टी के बारे में। चलिए लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। द फाउंडेशन ऑफ सूरी डायनेस्टी वाज लेड बाय शेर शाह सूरी. His real name was Farid. He got this title after winning some battles like Battle of Chosa, Battle of Kanauj and Battle of Samal. Suris were from Afghanistan. Suris ruled from 1540 to 1555. Sher Shah Suri led the foundation of Suri Dynasty in India. His real name was Farid. He was son of Hassan Shah Suri. Hassan Shah Suri was Jagirdar of Sasaram and Haripur in Bihar. Ibrahim Lodi transferred his Jagir to him. At early age, Sher Shah Suri joined Babar Khan Lohani. Babar Khan Lohani was ruler of Bihar. Babar Khan Lohani appointed Sher Shah Suri his deputy governor of Bihar. Sher Shah Suri came to the throne under the title Hazrat Allah. He gained Chinor by marrying Malika. Malika was a widow lady. She was widow of governor of Chinor. In 1539, Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun in Battle of Chosa and captured Chosa from Humayun. In 1540, Sher Shah Suri again defeated Humayun in Battle of Kanauj and captured Kanauj from Humayun. He defeated Rajputus in Battle of Samal in 1544. After winning such battles, he got this title Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri was titled Sher Khan by Babar Khan Lohani, to whom he provided services. Sher Shah Suri was killed due to an explosion of gunpowder in 1545 in a campaign against Kalinga. Sher Shah Suri issued coins printed in his name. Copper coins were called dam and silver coins were called rupaya. Sher Shah Suri was succeeded by his son Islam Shah Suri. Islam Shah Suri came to the throne in 1545. He ruled from 1545 to 1554. Islam Shah Suri was known for his contribution to the field of justice. Islam Shah Suri codified laws. Islam Shah Suri was succeeded by Sikandar Shah Suri and Adil Shah Suri. Humayun defeated Sikandar Shah Suri in Battle of Sirhind in 1555 and recaptured Delhi. Humayun's son Akbar defeated Adil Shah Suri in Second Battle of Panipat in 1556. Adil Shah Suri was represented by Hemchand Vikramaditya. This led to the end of Suri Dynasty in India. It was all about Suri Dynasty. At the end, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more educational videos.